Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix blurry wallpaper on iPhone iOS 17. So guys, if you are using iPhone and when you use any wallpaper on your display or on lock screen and facing the issue that wallpaper that you have selected is blurry on your display. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your iPhone, and guys you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this you need to go back and guys click on general and click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version 17.1. so guys, by doing this latest version iOS 17.1, then guys all the problems that you are facing in iOS 17 will be fixed in your iPhone. So guys, first of all you need to update now, and guys after doing update iOS 17.1 your problem will be fixed. And guys after doing this you need to scroll it down, and guys after this here is the option of wallpaper. So guys, simply you need to go back and guys click on wallpaper, and guys you can select another wallpaper. So guys, maybe this problem is in your wallpaper. So guys, simply you need to click on add, and guys you can add another wallpaper from here. So guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.